Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Realize this is the first time I've been in front of the camera. Here I am. I've got my helper here holding the camera. And this is the reason I'm super excited to show you guys this. It's killing me, it's killing me. This thing's been sitting here for hours at home. A little bit of rip in the packaging, but I haven't cracked her open yet. I have no idea what color it is. And I'm just super stoked to get into this thing, man. We got a skate park day today, so there's gonna be a running video coming. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, click the bell. Let's quit pissing around and get into her. I don't even know what color it is. I know nothing about it. Look at that crap out here. If you've seen my other videos, you know I have the Traxxas MAXX, and I've also got the Kraton 8S. So this is going to be a nice little basher to add to the family. Oh, guys, let's get a look at this. What color do you think we're going to get here? The sickest color. Oh, what? That's not it. All right, guys, here you get your standard equipment from Traxxas, right? You get your operator's manual, all your instructions, your wrench. We've got our foams here for the batteries, obviously, in the tray, and a couple Allen keys. You know, same old Traxxas gig. So that's cool. Oh, there it is. Look at that, folks. In all its glory. Same as the old MAXX there. You just give her a twist, a flip, and off comes the body. There it is. Get a close up. Let everybody see the truck nice and close. Dig for transmitter. There it is, guys. You know, if you've got any Traxxas, you have this. I don't have the Bluetooth link module or anything yet. I do plan to get it. It just allows you to utilize the technology much more. So there we are, guys. That is sick. I cannot wait to bash this thing. Look at the size of that servo. That's a massive steering servo. Got our standard Traxxas connector there. That won't be staying long. We'll be switching that baby out for an EC5. But for today, it should be good. Hopefully I've got a decent enough adapter to get us out for a run video today. We'll see. I might just have to figure something out. So let's get this body on there. Gosh. Battery tray. This just clips off. Clips back on. Depending on your size. Battery. 3S, 4S. Alright. Snap it back. Clicker in. Done. Brand new, guys. Brand new. Wow. 5.5 by 2.8. Let's give her a drop. Well, that's not bad. We'll coil those down a little bit. Seems a little soft. I mean, we're gonna give it, so it's gonna need some bounce. That's nice. Traxxas VXL 4S. It really resembles the MAXX an awful lot. So these two are going to get a chance to bash together today. My MAXX and my Mini Max. This body's not going to look this pretty for very long. It is pretty though. What a nice body. That one's my favorite. I'm glad I got that one. That was a nice surprise. Well, it won't look nice for long, unfortunately. You got to bash. Basher's got to bash. Alright guys, well that's it. That's my new MAXX. We'll get some good content to this bad boy. Have to send it off the local ski hill. And all kinds of other shenanigans. But if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, like, hit the bell, and come on back, man. It's going to be a blast. See ya.